Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock hidden challenges in Vita Mahjong app on phone. Let's get started. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, just start the game. First, make sure you complete all the regular levels in chapter. Hidden challenges usually appear after you finish the main stage, so don't skip levels, finish them all. Next, keep an eye out for special tiles or icons. Some levels have a little glowing tile or a secret icon. Matching the tile during the level often unlocks a hidden challenge. Try to clear levels with high score or combos. Some hidden challenges only appear when you earn a certain number of points or clear multiple matches in a row. Finally, keep playing regularly. Some challenges only unlock after you have played for several days or complete specific sets of levels, and that's it. Complete all levels, watch for specialties, aim for combos, and check the map. These simple steps will help you unlock all the hidden challenges in the Vita Mahjong mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.